How to get started on Airbnb or how to sign up for Airbnb. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can start up on Airbnb or sign up for Airbnb. Now you can do so through the application or you can do so on airbnb.com as well. You're gonna simply head into airbnb.com, then you'll get this interface. You're gonna tap on the login option at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on it now, eventually you should get an interface somewhat like this: login or sign up. So if you already have an account, you can easily log in right using your credentials, whether you want to log in using Facebook, Google, Apple, email or phone number. If not, if you want to sign up, then you can simply enter in your phone number here, then tap on continue. It'll send you a verification code, enter the confirmation code, and then enter in other necessary details and you're good to go. If not, then you can simply go ahead and continue with Facebook. If you want to log in with Facebook, it'll ask you for confirmation, tap on allow and you're good to go. Or similar case with Google or Apple or email. So this is the way that you can easily get started on Airbnb. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.